Hi. So in this recording we are going to see for the alphabets. So alphabets will be similar to English, but the pronunciation is really different. So Buchstabe is alphabets in German. So A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. This is a beta symbol. It sounds a long S. Okay. So we'll also see the words corresponding to the alphabets. So how the pronunciation works. So these are the exact pronunciations for Deutsch alphabets. So these are the highlights of the alphabets. Like A is not A, it is A. E is A. I is E. J in German doesn't have a J sound, it is J, Ya sound. V will be F sound. V, W will be a W sound. So these are the highlights in the German alphabets, which is sounds or it is seen similar to English, but it is different from English. So finally again I am reiterating A, E, J, V and B. Okay, so these are the alphabets. So the following classes will be with the alphabets with the words. That will be for the next class. So in this course we are going to cover reading skills, writing skills, listening skills and speaking skills. So you will be trained individually with all these 4 skills, and the exam cracking tips is also given, and model test papers will be discussed, and the solutions will also be given. So the batch sizes can be 1 to 2 or 2 to 4 or 5 to 7. The hours will be changed according to it, and the timings will be fixed after liaising with the students, their comfortable timings. And every student has to buy the corresponding Goethe Institute book, which is available in Amazon and also in Goyal Publishers website. And the duration of the class will be 1 hour per day, and it can be liaised with the students, either it has to be weekend or it can be weekdays. And the contents of the beginner course, that is A1.1, is that will be alphabets, introduction, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, W questions, yes or no questions, conjugation, present tense, perfect tense and the future tense. This will be A1.1. And the contents in the A1.2 course will be possessive articles, Trennenbarer-Verben, past tense, conjunctions, while, then clause, when, damit clause, cases, prepositions for the case 1, prepositions for the case 2 and the reflection pronoun. And additionally, reading comprehensions, hearing exercises and speaking boards will be inserted with after every 3 lesson completion, and thereby students will be trained for reading listening, hearing, and speaking. And emails will be given for practices, and model test papers 1 and 2 and 3 will be discussed, and also the solutions will be given in the A1.2 course. And this course, after completing the course, you will be attending the Goethe Institute examination, and after finishing completing the examination successfully, you'll be issued a certificate that is a lifelong valid. It doesn't expire, and this Goethe Institute certificate is actually recognizable in every part of the world. It is actually will increase the weightage of your resume, mainly for the mechanical engineers and computer engineers. The German knowledge is actually an added advantage to bag a job actually. Thank you.